like plannings, right? Planning. Okay, so this is our last topic in the fourth unit, that is estimating. So, however, you people know what is this estimating, how the estimations can be done, so that how we can improve our estimations, right? So, for example, before starting anything, take any event or organization or anything you want to develop a project or a product, right? So at that time, before starting that development, okay, before starting that development here, okay, before you people are going to develop that particular project here, what you will be doing, first you will be doing analysis, planning, okay, planning. And finally, once these things are done, means according to that you will be doing the estimation, okay, how much budget we are having, okay, how much budget we are having, what are the things we can buy, okay, what are the requirements for that, okay. If we select that requirements is in that particular cost or not, okay, will we able to get a profit or not, okay, like that. Or we are going to be checking like in our team is that people are sufficient or not, okay, peoples are sufficient or not to work that particular project, or should we hire any other outside persons for this particular project, okay, like that we can do a estimation in n number of ways. So whenever we are going to be organizing any kind of a work, or you are going to develop anything, or you are going to be organize any events, even though in our homes also, according to our salaries here, we are going to doing some estimations, right? So what to spend, how to spend, to whom I have to pay, okay, these all things estimations will be there, okay, according to your plan all estimations going to be done. So same thing here also, whenever we are working in any environment, first of all they will be identifying the velocity. Means velocity means how many members are there, okay, how many members are there and how much work is there, okay, will these members are sufficient to complete this task finally or not, okay. So like that, it is the amount of the work done by the team members at a given time. Okay, so whatever the task is these members are sufficient to complete that particular task in time. ఓకే, ఇన్ టైంలో ఆ టాస్క్ ని కంప్లీట్ చేయడానికి వీళ్ళు సరిపోతారా లేదా. సో లైక్ దట్ వెలాసిటీ వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు బి క్యాలిక్యులేటింగ్. సో టేక్ హ్యాస్ లైక్ example, if you people are organizing any marriage, right? So that community hall or that function hall consists of only like 200 members, okay, like that you will be calculating, is that whatever the size of this community hall, okay, 200, if more than 200 will be coming, what to do, okay, how to improve your velocity. Like keeping the chairs outside, okay, making them to sit outside, arranging food session outside, okay, like that you will be doing and improving your velocity. Or otherwise what you will be doing, you will be tent వేసి ఇక్కడ బయట, okay, like that you will be doing some alternatives so that you have to improve your velocity and finally it should be in success, right? So like that only here, whenever we are going to be working on any particular project, definitely here we are going to see what will be the velocity, what will be the cost, and like what kind of a project it is, okay, is that requirement suitable for that particular project or not. If we selected that particular requirements, okay, customer is giving other requirements, if it is overburden, then we need to give some explanation to the stakeholders so that they can understand, right? So like that we are giving some explanation to them, and we are going to be improving our project velocity also, and finally we are focusing on the results, right? So velocity is nothing but the amount of the work done by the team in a given time. And how to improve your velocity, first of all, so whenever you want to improve your velocity, definitely you have to involve the customer, ma. right? You have to involve. Why? Because here we are using this XP agile model. In XP agile model, definitely we are involving the customers and the stakeholder until and unless last, right? Whenever the product has been released, in at that stage we are involving and entertaining the customer, right, and taking their requirements, and we are going to be implementing according to them, right? So that is the first thing, customer involvement we have to improve according to their need. And second thing, energized work, right? So energized work means what are the things are going to be involved in this energized work? Yes, there should be some breaks, right? There should be some breaks, some coffee breaks, okay? Or weekends they have to leave early. Okay, weekends they have to leave early, or means whenever they have to spend their time with family. And if they leave early means they happily they will spend their time with family, and next day morning he will be coming with fresh mind, so that they will be focusing on this particular project, right? Focusing on the particular project. If this energized work, this all things are not entertained in the organization means, definitely the person who is working on this particular project, okay, there may be a chance to arise a bugs, okay, bugs, errors, ఇవన్నీ రేజ్ అయ్యే ఛాన్సెస్ ఉంటాయి. సో టు అవాయిడ్ దిస్ ఆల్ థింగ్స్, హియర్ దే విల్ బి డూయింగ్ ద మోటివేషన్ ఫర్ ది ఎంప్లాయీస్, right? They will be supporting, giving the lot of breaks between that, okay, and leaving the employees before completion of the work, okay, like that. The things they are going to be encouraging, and they will be motivating, so that the person have to come in the next day morning, so that they should not be arise any bugs, right? So energized work is required to improve the velocity and to pay down technical debt. Here whatever the technical support is there or anything happened here, here organization have to provide like needed resources, whatever the things they need, like adding the programmers or the hiring some employees to them, right, to complete the pending work if the work is incomplete. So to do this all things, okay, with this all things we can improve our velocity finally, right? So by involving the customers, okay, the first thing is, first involve the customer and supporting the energized work by motivating the employees or leaving and providing some breaks, conducting some events in that, okay, like that you will be feeling fresh and you can focus on the work. And second thing, whenever anything problem will be happen, okay, technical depth will be there, okay, they will be providing the support and providing all the resources whatever the requirements according to your project, okay. These all things are going to be done to improve your velocity. So velocity and iteration time box, already you know what is this time box time box is nothing but a fixed time, okay, means they are giving some fixed time, and within that fixed time you have to complete your task, right? So here to fix this according to this time, here we have to improve our work, we have to improve, we have to add some new members in our team, means based upon that work, right? So it is the amount of the work done by the team in a given iteration, right? Whatever the fixed time is there, within that particular iteration they have to complete their task, right? So that is the time box. And how to estimate the stories. So first of all, how to estimate whatever the stories are there, okay, customer is giving his type of stories, okay, developers are giving their stories, and like whoever are domain experts are giving their stories, means here we are giving the first preference to the customer stories so according to that stories, here what we are doing, we are doing some estimation, is this story is good or risk or any problems are going to be create, okay. According to that, here developers and domain expert will be planning according to that, right? what are the things we can include, what are the things we should not include. Okay, like that they will be doing some estimation based upon the user stories and customer whatever they are giving. According to that only they will be planning, ma. And result, finally what will be the result? So whenever you are going to estimate anything, so here you have to estimate well, so that the program or the event or any project launch should be a perfect and it should be in profit. Okay, in that way whatever the work we are doing, in that way we are going to be estimating, right? So your velocity is consistent and predictable with each iteration. So whatever the work or whatever the task you have assigned within that particular time box, you have to complete. Means within that iteration you have to try to complete. Otherwise you have to hire more programmers, okay, depending upon that work. Here we are going to be hiring. So in that case, the result, final result, what will be there, ma? In that particular iteration we can complete our work. And contradiction, trust is needed to estimate the risk. So definitely trust, without this trust we can't do any task, right? So customer should have a task, trust, organization should have a trust. Okay, then only we can estimate this all the risk. And finally, means like the trust lekapothe, yeah, everything will be created as a problematic. And alternatives, if the work is not completed according to the estimate, then release planning will be delayed, right? So that will be happen. So whenever we are not going to complete our work within that particular time box or within that particular period, then definitely whatever the planning we have done, okay, release planning, we are going to release on so and so date, okay, on so and so date, like that. So it will be delayed. Okay, so this is about like estimating how we are calculating the velocity, and how we are improving the things, and how we are fixing the time, and what will be the result, what will be the problematic. If problems are came, means what are the alternative methods we are going to select, right? So here estimating means, here first of all it is a part of some iteration, ma. Okay, it is a part of iteration. So here, before, means whatever the things we have to do within that particular iterations we have to complete, right? If anything happened or any stories are pending or anything happened, so we have to estimate according to our convenient, and what are the things we need or add or delete or do. So you can do that all things in this estimation, right? So that you will be putting on some story cards, conducting the meetings with the programmers. According to that you will be discussing on that all things, right? And meetings, definitely here whenever we are working on any particular project, meetings will be there, right? So in that meetings we are going to be discussing about like our project, okay, and in how many iterations it will be going to complete, like more than one, or okay, like that meetings are going to be scheduling. Estimating, most meetings are the part of the normal overhead of the iteration. So have you listened or not? I don't know, but if any MNC peoples are working, okay, any company employees are working, ask them. So they will be saying we are in meeting, we are in meeting. Work కన్నా మీటింగ్స్ ఎక్కువ అవుతా ఉంటాయి దాంట్లో, right? Next, architecture, design, refactoring, and technical infrastructure. So mainly whenever we are doing any estimation, focus on the architecture, what kind of a architecture is there, and how the designs are there, how many days it will be going to cover. And refactoring, we will be any templates are there, any changes we want to do, or any technical infrastructure need to add in that before developing. Okay, like that we are doing some incremental designs to design and architecture, right? To break some large technical requirements, whatever the large technical designs are there, we are breaking into some small pieces. And incrementally we are going to be implementing in first iteration, second iteration, third iteration. Or otherwise, if our team members and employees are more means we are giving to them, we are going to be assigned to particular teams or persons. And spike stories, here the spike stories are nothing but here programmers mostly use the spike solutions ma. So they will be identifying previous what happened, now what happened, what is the problem, and why previously we didn't get any profits, or okay, like that they will be finding out some solution, doing some research on that particular technology. According to that they will be adding the stories. Okay, adding the stories simply means whatever the previous or the past stories are there, so how was the feedback, based on that they will be doing the changes. Okay, that is known as the spike stories. And means like profits or loss. Okay, they will be checking some graphs mainly. And programmers can usually estimate how long it will take to research whatever the technology they are going to be working or developing, how much time it is going to consume. Okay, when we are going to be releasing, so first of all they will be putting the question, okay, themselves. Okay, they don't know how much time it will be consumed. Okay, like that, for that only they will be doing some research and they will be identifying the things, right? So if they can't estimate the particular whatever the research time, how much time it need, okay, time box and story, whatever the bugs, okay, if they are unable to estimate this all things, here definitely here plenty of time is going to be consumed, right? So for most spike stories and half day is sufficient for most. So whatever the known stories, whatever the work we already know, if the things we know well, okay, if we have a lot of practice on that particular thing, means definitely we can sort out within half day or within a sufficient time, right? If we don't know that all things, definitely we will be taking a long time, right? So like that, here whenever we are going to develop any project here, so here first we need to have a knowledge on that, otherwise we have to do a research, or otherwise we have to gather a reviews from our friends, or simply whenever we are doing any shopping, here we are going to be checking the reviews. Based on that reviews only we are going to be selecting the products and ordering, right? So that is about like here how they are going to be making a spike stories, right? So what works and doesn't in estimating? So in this estimating, here the secret to make like a good estimate, first of all we have to predict the effort ma. Okay, we have to predict the effort, not the calendar time that project will take. So if we follow this means definitely we can achieve the success, means we can achieve and make a good estimation. Means if we are involving the experienced persons ma, if we are involving the experienced person, definitely they will be having some ideas, right? They will be having some ideas, according to that they will be providing, means within that particular time we can complete our task. So here the secret of this good estimation is nothing but, first of all, how many members are there. Okay, each member is working for the 8 hours or 10 hours, within how many days we can complete. Okay, we should not focus on the calendar time, we have to focus on like a team members and how much effort they are having, how they will be completing. Based on that only, here we are going to be creating some calendar time and fixing the time, okay, for release planning. And velocity, so here we are definitely estimating, means here we are doing the calculations ma, velocity, how many members are there, okay, how much what kind of a project is there, for that project is these members are sufficient or not, okay, how much time they are going to be take, within that particular time they will be completing or not. Okay, like that, here velocity calculations are going to be done. Okay, by individually or group members they will be making some maps, and according to that they will be doing some estimations. And velocity in number of story points you can complete in an iteration. Velocity is nothing but here how many stories you have completed. right? Already our Divyani has been explained, like if we are selecting, if we are having 10 stories within that particular iteration, how many stories we can release, okay, like that calculation based on that feedback loop, okay, iteration velocity, it will be reflecting and team actually achieved in the previous iteration. Okay, if that 10 stories are not included in the first iteration, what they will be doing, in another iteration they will be adding that five remaining 5 stories along with the new stories, like that. And feedback leads, okay, based on this feedback leads, here all magical efforts will be happening, means based on that they will be adding the stories, releasing the stories, and they will be dividing whatever the work is there, and keeping some deadlines. According to that they will be reducing the team workload, and they will be dividing the work within that particular members. Okay, finally they have to finish everything on time, right? So whatever the things, whatever the magical efforts will be happening here, means whenever the team is there underestimates their workload, okay, they will be dividing with each other, and they have to complete, right? So if it is not happened, if they are unable to divide that, right, so unable to finish all their stories by in that particular iteration deadline, definitely here it will be affects to the velocity, okay, it will be go down, and which in turns it will be reduces the team workload and allowing them to finish everything on time. And finally the velocity is an extremely effective way of balancing the team's workload, so based on that particular members, here we are going to be dividing the task within that particular things, right? So this can be happen with the help of this XP only. With this XP only we can predict, and we can schedule, and we can calculate some high degree of accuracy. So with the help of this XP only agile methods, here they will be balancing the work, and they will be doing the estimations, and according to that they will be planning, and they will be providing the task, right? So that is the velocity. And next we are going to see some velocity and the iteration time box, right? So I think it is structured. Okay, so let it be, no problem. Already we discuss. We'll see. Uh, so we'll see the velocity and iteration time box, right? So means already he has seen how the velocity is there. Okay, based on that members only. Here we are going to be fixing some time box within that schedule only. We have to complete our task, right? Velocity and the iteration time box. Time box is nothing but some fixed time within that velocity, how many members are there, how we are going to be complete that work, like that we are going to be doing some analysis, right? And checking that whatever the time limit is there for that particular iteration, in that particular iteration have we reached to that commitments or not. Okay, if 10 stories are there, 10 stories are released in that particular iteration or not. Okay, like that here we are calculating the velocity, means according to that time box have we completed or not, right? So velocity tends to be unstable at the beginning of the project, and give it 3 or 4 iterations to stabilize. Okay, ఒకటే ఇటరేషన్ లో అన్ని అయిపోవాలంటే that is not possible. It may consume more time, right? So whenever you people are buying any mobiles or any devices, right, definitely you will be doing some analysis which will be good. Okay, you will be asking your friends and gathering some information. ఓకే, నువ్వేమనుకుంటావు ఈ వీక్ లో కొనేసేయాలనుకుంటావు, అప్పటిదాకా నీకు ఇంకా క్లారిటీ రాలేదు. సో వాట్ యూ విల్ బి డూయింగ్, I will take one more week. Within that week, I may purchase that particular. It's like that. Here we are fixing one time. If it is not happened, okay. So whatever the task we are going to be complete within that particular time should be a quality. Okay, ఏదో కొన్నామా యూస్ చేసామా అన్నట్టు కాకుండా క్వాలిటీ ఉండాలి, లాంగ్ టైమ్ గా యూస్ చేయాలి, హ్యాపీగా ఉండాలి. So we have to focus on that. So after that point, you should achieve the same velocity every iteration unless there is a holiday during the iterations. Okay, whatever the work within that working days only, they have to complete their task. Okay, and they are not going to be considering that holidays, and within that week only they are going to be making it as a first iterations. And here they are going to be checking their commitments. According to their commitments only, they will be fixing the slacks, and they will be working on every iterations. If there are a deeper problems, ma, here team velocity changes more than one or twice per quarter. Okay, whatever the problems we are unable to solve that problem or a bug, definitely here they will be changing the velocity, adding the person, removing the persons. Okay, like that things are going to be done. This can be happen one or twice or per quarter times. Okay, and how to make consistent estimates. So first of all, there are two secrets for this, how to make the estimates consistent. The first one is nothing but, first of all, here, if you are an expert, ma, but you don't trust your ability to make estimates, relax. Right? If you are expert, you are perfect. I know everything about these laptops, or I know perfectly about this Python. Okay, like that, you are having some confidence on you. But somewhere at some corner, automatically you will feel down. Okay, like how will my knowledge is sufficient for that or not. Okay, like that you will be doing some imagination, right? So if you are perfect on that, if you are having trust on yourself, then automatically makes you good estimates. If you don't have that, okay, something ఎక్కడో డౌన్ అయిపోతున్నాను, నాకు ఏమో నేను అంతా చేసినా కూడా సక్సెస్ అవ్వను అనేది అలా కూడా ఉంటుంది, రైట్? సో ద ఫస్ట్ సీక్రెట్, ఇఫ్ యు ఆర్ ఎక్స్పర్ట్ అండ్ ఇఫ్ you are going to be believing yourself, then be relaxed. Just imagine the work you are going to do and pick the first number. Okay, like that. If you don't know also the work, what kind of a work is there, okay, if you are not giving the 100%, you just start the work. Okay, whenever you are starting the work, the things you can understand what the things are involved in that. Okay, what to do and what not to do, you can estimate this all thing. This will be enough for you. Okay, that is the first. And the second, if you are not an expert, okay, if you are not an expert, the way to make a good estimate to become an expert, okay, if you don't have any particular knowledge in that particular domain also, here we can, if we are estimating good, if we are planning good, definitely we can reach to that point, ma, right? So it can sound, so this isn't as hard as it sounds. So an expert is just a beginner with lot of experience. Okay, expert ఎలా అవుతారమ్మా, వాళ్ళు లాట్ ఆఫ్ ఫెయిల్యూర్స్ ని ఫేస్ చేసి సక్సెస్ ని ఫేస్ చేసి లాట్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ దే హ్యావ్ సీన్, right? So have you seen in your family members, grandmothers, grandfathers, okay, they have seen lot of experience, means lot of families, how they are surviving, what are the problems they are going to be raising. That's why what we are doing, ma, if we need any solution or if we face any problem, definitely we will be sharing with our grandfathers, grandmothers, whoever are having the good experience in that, so that we can get some ideas on that. Okay, like that. Here, to become an expert, make a lot of estimates with relatively short time scales and pay attention to the results. In the other ways, follows the XP practices, right? XP practices chesina kuda they will be getting some ideas, and based on that they will be working. So these are the two secrets. The two secrets are nothing but, first of all, here you are an expert but don't trust. Okay, you are perfect, but somewhere some point you may be feeling that I may not success in that way. Okay, so let it be, whatever be happen, you start the work. Okay, you start the work, and between whatever the problems, whatever the issues are going to be faced, you face them in a right way. Okay, that is the first. Second thing, if you are not perfect also, okay, but if you can estimate good, okay, planning is good, then you can become an expert by doing some lot of practices, XP practices, right? taking the help, involving the others. Okay, like that you take some time skills and pay the attentions, right? So how to estimate the stories? Okay, so whenever we are having some larger stories, split into the small and divide with each other. And if you are facing any problems, okay, and customer has given some high range, like high range of requirements, you have to encounter something that seems the expensive, right, and provide the customers with less costly alternatives. Okay, the product which is costly, you can give alternative suggestions to them also, so that with that they are, once they are agree, they can, you can include in that. And here, next third, you can gain the experience with the project. Okay, whenever we are, you people are working on different project, definitely you will be getting knowledge on that, and you will be working on that, and whatever the stories are there, okay, you will be including in that and releasing as a iterations, right? So whenever the lot of pressures are there, right, you are going to be breaking them and dividing that all the task within that particular team, or releasing in the different iterations, right? So same has like a serials, how we are going to be releasing the serials, right, episodes 1, episode 2, okay, like that, new changes and new stories we are going to be added, we are going to be releasing. And how to estimate iteration task? Okay, based on like how much time is going, a particular employee is going to be work, and how many days it is going to be consumed, based on that only here we are going to be do some estimation of that particular iteration task, like done, testing done, customer reviews done. Okay, once these all things has done, means iteration planning will be there, there will be focusing on how to release, right? సో వెన్ ఎస్టిమేటింగ్ ఇస్ డిఫికల్ట్, ఓకే, ఎప్పుడు డిఫికల్ట్ అవుతుంది ఎస్టిమేషన్? మనం ప్రాపర్గా ప్లాన్ చేయకుండా, ప్రాపర్గా ఎస్టిమేట్ చేయకుండా, రైట్? సో లైక్ ఇన్ దాట్ కేసెస్ వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు బి ఫేసింగ్ some problems and difficulties. Then immediately you have to check some templates or spike stories, and you have to move on that, and you have to work on that particular projects. Like that you can get a trust in the team, and over time, okay, over time kuda cheskoni, and some more employees ni you have to add, then you can do some changes in that particularly. And explaining estimates, ఓకే, మీరు ఎప్పుడైతే ఎస్టిమేషన్ చేస్తారో, ఈ ఎస్టిమేషన్ ఇప్పుడు ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ యూ పీపుల్ ఆర్ ఆర్గనైజింగ్ వన్ మ్యారేజ్ ఈవెంట్ మా, you one person is having one idea, okay, means each and every person is having different ideas ma, right? So here our Abhinav is giving one idea, ఇలా చేస్తే బాగుంటుంది ఇంత బడ్జెట్ లోనే, ఓకే, ఒక ఇంత కంప్లీట్ చేస్తామంటాడు. మళ్ళీ ఇంద్రతేజ్ వస్తాడు, అదే ఈవెంట్ ని మనం ఒక ఈ 50,000 లో కూడా కంప్లీట్ చేయొచ్చు, ఓకే, 50,000 లో కూడా చేయొచ్చు అంటారు. ఓకే, మీన్స్ here everyone are giving their ideas, okay, their ideas, according to that ideas here, which is the best, okay, which have to ignore, and like that we are going to be selecting, right, explaining all the estimation, and which will be the best and which will be the suitable for that customer, and how that customer is getting the trust, right, and will be able to deliver that particular product within that iteration or not. Okay, like that here all estimations are going to be done, and we are explaining to our project manager or a team members. So according to that, here we are going to be avoiding the problems also, whatever the situations and problems we are going to be face, right? So to improve your velocity, definitely here we are going to see what we are going to see, means first of all technical depth should be there, okay, support, and whatever the people, whoever the people are working on that side, they have to provide some help, okay, based on that their need and the requirement, they have to provide this all technical depth. And they have to improve the customer involvement. So you, how you can improve, you have to involve the customer in each and everything, okay, until and unless your project has been complete, involve the customer, Okay, once whatever you have developed, give to that customer, and he will be identifying and giving the feedback. Okay, feedback based on that you can work. So with that also we can improve our velocity. And energized works means how you feel motivated. Okay, take a breaks, leave early. Okay, leave early. Motivation by your team lead or project managers. Okay, if you are getting any appreciations also, you will feel some energized work. And spend your time with your family members and leave as early as possible from the office, so that you can come early in the next day early in the morning with a fresh mind, right? So like that here these energized works are going to be provided. And offload programmers duties will be there. And means we are going to be hiring some on-site customers, okay, offline, okay, like that means whoever are going to be working after office hours also, okay, like that we are going to be including in that. And provide needed resources, whatever the requirements resources are needed to that particular employees, you can provide. Okay, who will be providing? Organization. This organization will be providing according to your convenient and develop. So next, add the programmers. Okay, depend upon the team size, depend upon the project size, depend upon the time box. Here hire the employees, add that employees to within that particular teams and try to complete that project, so that things are going to be done. Means this can be done depend upon the time box and depend upon the team size. Employees hiring, and they have to hire a good programmers and good experienced person who can handle and who can understand everything, right? Who can understand, like that experienced persons they will be adding. So this is about the velocity. Velocity means estimating. In this we have seen how to estimate, okay, how to calculate the velocity, right? మీకు పీపీటీ కనబడ్డదమ్మా ఇంతసేపు?